Hi everybody, welcome to the first video of learning Compose in 30 days. For this series, you need to know how to code in Kotlin. You need Android Studio for coding environment, and you need a passion for learning. That's all. But good news for you, if you don't know how to code in Kotlin, I have another series named Learn Kotlin in 30 days. You can check my Medium account or you can check my YouTube page, so you can find Kotlin sources right there. So let's start. What is Jetpack Compose? It's a UI toolkit developed by Google for Android development. You know that in traditional Android development we use XMLs and Kotlin files together. XMLs for our layouts for design and Kotlin files for our logic. So in our example right there, we have a button. With this button, we can change our background color. So it's almost 20 lines with 2 files. But with help of Compose, we only use 1 file and it's almost 10 lines. So there's a 50% decrease in our code lines. So let's look at our first composable function. Right there in our main activity class, we have set content blocks. Between these blocks, we call our composable function named toggle button demo. And to declare a composable function, we need our composable annotation. With the help of this annotation, we can make our compose functions. And compose functions are unit functions. That means they well, they don't return anything. You know, with these functions, we draw our screen elements, and there is a lot of advantage of Compose too. You can read. I wrote all of them in my article. I'm gonna put the link of this article down below of this video. So let's make our first Compose project. Click new project. By the way, I use Ladybug version of Android Studio. I choose empty activity with the icon of Compose, and I'm gonna name it Compose Cookbook and finish. Let's make this smaller, and right there we see our functions. Our greeting composable function takes 2 parameters. Right there we call it and give the parameter values. And right there we see a preview annotation. So the best part of Compose UI Toolkit is you don't need to run your application on an emulator to see the result. You can see directly right there. But how? Just click split, build and refresh. Okay, in this error it says you need to upgrade. So Android Studio gonna do it for us to refactor. And click again. And we can see our text as a result right there. And this is our preview. You see that? This is our composable function. This is our preview of composable function. So I want to add that preview annotation takes a parameter named show background. If I delete this, it's gonna be transparent, so you can change this, it's up to you. And this is our first compose class, and I think it's enough for this video, and see you in the next videos. Bye.